Resume tunes.
Yay! Let's play the alphabet. A, like an apple. B, like a banana. C, like a cat. D, like a dog. E, like an elephant. F, like a fish. G, like a giraffe. H, like a horse. I, like an ice cream. J, like jelly. K, like a kite. L, like a lion. M, like a moon. N, like a necklace. O, like an owl. P, like a pizza. Q, like a queen. R, like a rabbit. S, like a sun. T, like a toy. U, like an umbrella. V, like a vase. X, like X-ray. Y, like yellow. Z, like a zebra.